This is a 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer EVO steering wheel. Interestingly, we've done several of these here just recently, so we wanted to go ahead and shoot a video of the process, the before and after. This customer wants us to change things up just a little bit, so as you can see, had a groove running around here with a perforated leather on the top and then a smooth leather here, and that groove is just completely worn away out of there. So the customer just wants to do away with that completely and actually cover it a little bit differently with a blue stitching and a yellow racing dial up at the top. So it's going to be quite a different looking steering wheel when we're finished with it, so we'll go ahead and transform it and take a look at it when we're done. So what is this gorgeous steering wheel off? This is a Mitsubishi Lancer EVO, a 2003, all finished out and ready to ship out to the customer. We've added that racing dial up at the top, put this really nice blue baseball stitching on it. We've got the Lamborghini black perforated leather and the Ferrari smooth leather on the top and bottom. Really going to make this car stand out. Hope he's taking it to shows because it is definitely worthy of it. What a sporty and luxurious look. So reach out to us here at Craft Customs. Anything, any steering wheel.